Welcome to your guide to a sparkling home. Today, we're making magic with homemade cleaners. They're cheap, easy, and oh so natural. Forget harsh chemicals. We're going natural with ingredients you already have. Let's get started. Ready to make our kitchen counter cleaner? Here's what you need. 1 cup water, 1 cup white vinegar, a lemon, a sprig of rosemary, and a spray bottle. First, pour 1 cup of water into your spray bottle. Now, add 1 cup of white vinegar. It's a powerful natural cleaner. Next, peel your lemon. We'll use the rind for its cleaning properties and fresh scent. Add the lemon rind to your bottle. It gives a natural, fresh aroma. And now, a sprig of rosemary for that herbal touch and extra cleaning power. Let your cleaner sit for a week. It'll infuse with all those lovely natural scents and cleaning properties. A week later, your cleaner is ready. Spray and wipe your counters to see them shine. All kitchens get a little grease every now and then. Start with 2 cups of water in a spray bottle for our natural degreaser. Next, add 1/4 cup of Castile soap. It's gentle, yet effective. Then, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for its grease-cutting power. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It's a fantastic, all-natural scrubbing agent. Finish with 10 drops of orange essential oil for a refreshing scent and special cleaning properties. Shake well to mix. Your degreaser is ready to battle kitchen grease. Spray on greasy areas and wipe clean. Watch the grease disappear naturally. Have you ever noticed gunk accumulating on your cabinets? For this, you'll need 1 tablespoon of your favorite dish soap, 2 cups of warm water, and 1 cup of vinegar. Pour 1 cup of vinegar into a mixing bowl. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant. Next, add 2 cups of warm water. The heat helps dissolve the dirt and grime. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap for extra cleaning power. Stir it all together. Your gentle yet effective cabinet cleaner is ready. Apply the cleaner to your cabinets and wipe away the grime for spotless results. Your kitchen sink collects a lot of grime. To shine up your stainless steel sink, grab a cup of baking soda and 8 ounces of water. Mix the baking soda and water to form a cleaning paste. It's perfect for stainless steel. Apply the paste to your sink with a sponge. It gently scrubs without scratching. After scrubbing, rinse your sink well. Look at that shine. Our kitchen is now sparkling clean. Now, let's head into the bathroom for more DIY cleaning secrets. Let's make a disinfectant spray for this well-used area of your home. You'll need 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of hot water, 8 drops of orange essential oil, and a spray bottle. Start your cleaner by adding 1 cup of vinegar to your spray bottle. Vinegar is excellent for killing germs. Next, pour in 1 cup of hot water. This helps to mix the ingredients. Then, add 8 drops of orange essential oil for a citrusy scent that cleans at the same time. Shake the bottle to mix everything together. Your natural disinfectant spray is ready. Spray it on your bathroom surfaces and wipe it clean. It disinfects and leaves a pleasant scent. We've got another bathroom sanitizing solution that's easy to make. You need 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, and 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. Pour 2 cups of water into your spray bottle. Water dilutes and spreads the cleaning agents. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. It's a potent germ killer. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of Castile soap for gentle cleaning. Shake your bottle to mix. Your super easy sanitizer is now ready to use. Use this spray all over your bathroom. Wipe it away and voila! A safe and sanitized bathroom in just minutes. If you're looking for a natural disinfectant cleaner, you probably have what you need to make one already. All you need is vinegar and some water. Pour 2 cups of water into your sprayer. Add 1/2 cup of white vinegar. It's effective against germs and bacteria. Don't worry about the pungent vinegar smell. It dissipates as it dries. Shake to mix your disinfectant cleaner. It's ready to tackle nasty germs. Spray on surfaces and wipe. Our bathroom is now a germ-free zone. Next, let's focus on the floors. Stay tuned for natural floor cleaning solutions. For sparkling floors, mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and a cup of rubbing alcohol in a sprayer. Start with 1 cup of water. It dilutes the cleaning agents to make it safe for your flooring. Pour in a cup of white vinegar. This natural disinfectant is ideal for so many places in your home. Add 8 ounces of rubbing alcohol. It helps the floor dry quickly without streaks. Shake it up to mix. Your floor cleaner is ready to make your floors shine. Spray your homemade cleaner onto the floor. It's time to tackle those dirty spots. Mop and watch your floors transform. Enjoy the streak-free, sparkling clean. What about glass and mirrors? They need a little attention too. For streak-free glass, use 2 cups of water, 1/2 cup of cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, and 2 drops of eucalyptus oil. First, pour 2 cups of water into your sprayer. Now, add 1/2 cup cider vinegar. It's perfect for cleaning glass without streaks. Mix in 1/4 cup rubbing alcohol. It speeds up drying. Finish with 2 drops of eucalyptus oil for a fresh scent that cleans at the same time. Swirl the bottle to combine all the ingredients. Your glass cleaner is now ready for sparkling windows and mirrors. Spray on windows and other glass surfaces and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Enjoy streak-free glass. If you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaner for all kinds of surfaces, we've got a great one for you. All you need is water, Castile soap, lemon juice, baking soda, and peppermint or tea tree essential oil. Pour 2 cups of water into your bottle. It's the base for our super, all-purpose cleaner. Add 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. It gently cleanses and lifts dirt. Now, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for some grease-cutting power. 1 tablespoon of baking soda goes in for extra scrubbing strength. Finish with 2 drops of tea tree or peppermint oil for a refreshing aroma. Shake the sprayer to combine. Your all-purpose cleaner is ready. Spritz it on any surface and wipe it away. It's practical and leaves a pleasant scent. We've covered your kitchen, bathroom, floors, and more with our cheap and easy DIY cleaners. Now, enjoy a naturally clean and fresh home. Wow, we've done it! We've made our homes sparkle with all-natural homemade cleaners. Thanks for joining us on this green cleaning journey. If you love these DIY cleaning tips, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of natural cleaning with cheap, effective ingredients. We'd love to hear how these cleaners worked for you. Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching. Keep living clean and green, and we'll see you in the next one.